And this scenario is titled Addressing a Negative Team Dynamic. And the scenario description goes: you've noticed that during team meetings, one team member, Sarah, often interrupts others and dismisses their ideas. This has started to create tension, and some colleagues are becoming less willing to share their thoughts. Your task is to rate the effectiveness of the following actions that you could take. Firstly, you could speak to Sarah privately to explain how her behavior is affecting the team and suggest ways she can improve. Secondly, you could raise the issue in the next team meeting and encourage everyone to adopt a more respectful approach to discussions. Thirdly, you could ignore the behavior and assume the team will eventually adapt to Sarah's style of communication. And finally, you could inform your manager about Sarah's behavior and let them handle the situation. Now, for each of these potential actions, you are required to state whether you believe the activity is counterproductive, ineffective, fairly effective, or effective. And if you require more time to think about what you would do in this scenario or how you would rate the options given, you should pause the video here, as we're going to go straight into the answers. Starting with the first option, which again was to speak to Sarah privately to explain how her behavior is affecting the team and suggest ways she can improve. This has been rated effective. It directly addresses the issue while giving Sarah an opportunity to reflect and change her behavior. The second option, again, was to raise the issue in the next team meeting and encourage everyone to adopt a more respectful approach to discussions. This has been rated fairly effective. This promotes better team dynamics, but risks embarrassing Sarah in front of others. The third option was to ignore the behavior and assume the team will eventually adapt to Sarah's style of communication. This has been rated counterproductive. This allows the negative dynamic to continue, potentially worsening team morale. And the final option was to inform your manager about Sarah's behavior and let them handle the situation. And this has been rated barely effective. It involves high authority but may bypass an opportunity to resolve the issue directly within the team.